This is a production of the Michael Parsons Trading Institute. All rights are reserved. No duplication or distribution is permitted without written authorization. Forex Reversals presents another live trade example, trading with Forex Reversals. Here we have the Aussie against the Japanese yen, and it's starting to decline off the reversal, so we've had the market come back and drop down. So what we're going to do is we're going to sell the Aussie against the Japanese yen. And let's see if we can get a good order here. I'm going to go down to the 10-minute. And we're running a little bit late. I would prefer to, but we have sold it. And so we'll see how things go on that one. We're going to run a trend line. This is a 10-minute. And again, going back to the hourly, the reason for it is we have a reversal where the market is risen up and then is now declining. We have a couple of hours before the next reversal. And so let's bring this back to 10-minute. In this Aussie against the yen, we have what can also be considered a low here. So we have an outside bar. So I'm going to look to take profits here soon because it could still be a reversal low. So we're going to go down to 10-minute and see where we're at. And it looks like we are starting to get some weakness already. So let's see what we have. Now we still have a strong trend line here, it looks like. So I'm down here at 1 minute currently, and she's still proceeding lower, so I'm not going to be too quick. We've broke this prior low, so we're just going to follow it down until it shows any weakness and then exit out. Update here, the market did move back, as you can see here, but we had this resistance. Currently this is the hour that we're focusing on as our low. Everything is good so far, so we're sticking with it. We're now within the hour that we expect a reversal to occur, so I'm going to be watching for any weakness and looking to exit when it shows any signs of changing direction or strength within the market. Currently has a little pullback, and I don't like what I see here, so I'll give it a couple of minutes more to see what happens here, but because it looks like it might be leaning to the downside again. But I may be exiting here very shortly. This market is starting to show some strength, so I'm going to look to get out of it right now and close out a position, and we'll let it go. And so that gives us a close position 31.1, so $313.85 on that one. And we're left with the euro against the British pound. Just as a summary, we're within that hour. If I go to the hourly time frame of the Aussie against the yen, you can say we have quite a long move. We could do a buy here, but if I recall, coming up on a reversal high, we had a low, and so the expectation should be pretty good to buy. So we might look at that, come back in just a minute and do a buy on this. For now, that closes that position. I'm going to go over to look at the other trade that we have going on, which is currently the euro against the British pound. This is a production of the Michael Parsons Trading Institute. All rights are reserved. No duplication or distribution is permitted without written authorization.